The year 2022 has been a year of celeb weddings. B-Town sweethearts from Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor to Richa Chadha and Ali Fazal embarked to their journey to their happily ever after. From traditional to thoda hatke, the brides put their best foot forward on their D-Day. So let's revisit some of the bridal looks which were the most impressive. Alia Bhatt has always looked pretty as a traditional bride on screen, but her real-life bridal look was quite surprising. Alia opted for an ivory organza sari from Sabyasachi, which was hand-dyed and embroidered with fine work along with hand-woven tissue tulle. She completed her look with gold jewelry and went for a no-makeup look. Her different bridal look inspired many content creators to create her look, and ivory became one of the favorite colors of would-be brides. Mouni Roy chose to be a traditional bride and went for two separate outfits for her Malayali wedding in the morning, followed by a Bengali wedding in the evening. She first wore a traditional white silk sari with a red and golden border. For accessories, she went for heavy temple jewelry. Then she donned a traditional red Sabyasachi lehenga featuring the designer's signature bold floral motifs and statement borders. Here too she opted for heavy jewelry and looked like royalty. A mermaid-style gown for your big day? Why not? Shibani Dandekar opted for one of the most unconventional yet beautiful outfits for her close-knit wedding ceremony. The red and nude mermaid-style gown look was surely one of the best bridal looks this year. For her Indian court marriage ceremony, the actress flaunted a dusty rose gold sari with floral applique and stunning sequins. She rocked both her looks, we must say that. Richa Chadha is another beautiful bride who opted to go for a neutral shade on her wedding day. She wore an ivory and gold sharara set and looked absolutely stunning. A classic bun, ornate jewelry and flawless makeup made her outfit stand out. Hansika Motwani's royal bridal look won our hearts in no time. She looked like a queen dressed in an embellished red lehenga from the couture line of Rimple and Harpreet. She paired it with a uniquely designed red blouse which featured intricate embellishments and thread work. She opted for unique jewelry and oversized kalira for her special day. There you go. These bridal looks should definitely be pinned to your dream wedding lookbook. Who according to you was the prettiest bride of 2022? Let us know in the comments below and do subscribe to SHOWSHA for more such content.